Hi, I am Avinash Sajwan and welcome to my channel Engineers Mania. I am a postgraduate student from IIT Kharagpur. Let me tell you about batching and mixing before moving on to their simulation using PFC. Batching is the process of measuring ingredients either by volume or by mass and introducing them into the mixture. A fine example of batching can be taken from concrete production plant where all the ingredients which are used in concrete production are stored in hoppers and silos before they are discharged into the mixer. Mixing operation consists of rotation or stirring with the objective to blind all the ingredients to form a uniform mass. The mixing operation can be of dry or wet nature, like the dry and wet process of cement production. In the dry process, all the materials in powder form are ground separated in absence of water and then mixed in desired proportion to form a resultant product. This process has a lesser consumption of energy, but the resultant product is of lower quality. As the name suggests, in wet process, water is used before and during the mixing. In this process, the energy consumption is higher, but the resultant product is of higher quality. Batching and mixing techniques are used in various fields, some of which are cement and concrete production, powder mechanics, and the pharmaceutical companies use these techniques to form medicinal tablets also. Thank you for watching this video. And now you can watch the simulation video of dry and wet mixing using PFC.